Rock Z, I remember those ones when I was a kid. Very popular. Very popular in my era. 80s. I remember my neighbor had one, she was blonde, she was very gorgeous. She had one of those black and gold. My friend has one actually, red color, 1987. 226. Beautiful car. Max car, XC, Falcon XC. '79 might?
Yeah, well it's December '78.
Ah, okay, beautiful. Very nice, man. Look at that, nice. Look at the wheels. The car seats, beautiful. It's a badass Mustang. Monaro. Wow, that's neat. That's very pretty. Wow, that's very pretty. Interior, I love it. Wow, that's beautiful. Very nice. The paint has a metal flake in it. It's beautiful. One exactly the same. Statesman. Thanks, picture. Like an Australian Cadillac. There was a caddy. Skyline. Red interior. Beautiful.
Like I don't know, it doesn't suit like whenever I see most like
572, big block. Oh, this is a beautiful Falcon. That's my truck. As you guys already know, that's my truck. 9-inch LSD, trailer brakes, Mach 1 sway bar, cruise control, air conditioning, everything, all the options. She's loaded with options. Got the style side options well from the Lariat. And this Falcon is beautiful. I love the color. It's a great color. It's a beautiful color. SS Impala 396 big block. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Hearse 66 Hearse. Doesn't have the taco. I've got a taco. Australian muscle, the fastest four-door car back in the time. Fastest four-door car in the world. Back in 71. Some really fine old cars here. With Monaro, original SS Commodore, which is quite beautiful, very pretty. Those cars worth a lot of money now. You could buy them for a couple of grand not long ago. Now they worth a lot of money. Oh, Challenger. What's that? Nova. Nice color. Beautiful color. Whoa. Very beautiful. It's like copper pink stuff. I don't know what it is. Oh, 68 Charger. My favorite front. Oh, that's really pretty. That is very beautiful. Look at the interior. My God, look at that. Wow. That's the Australian Charger. Australian Charger RT versus American Charger RT. And that's the Monaro. Monaro GTS with the houndstooth interior. Oh, look at this Trans Am, beautiful. Look, both sides. Beautiful, Bumpy. Park next to my yellow if you can. What's your name, man?
Helby.
Brazil, man. Brazil loves them. Take care.